Anyone joining? Mr. Ambassador?
Jambo bana, habari gani, nzuri sana. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Colleagues, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we are upstanding, please lift up your glasses. We want to do a toast. We want to do a toast. Let's lift our glasses wherever we are. Everybody pick your glasses, refill your glasses. We're going to do a very quick toast.
So we're going to go to Raila Odinga, right?
Yes.
At the count of 1, 2, 3. Everyone, please. To Raila Odinga.
Okay. To Raila Odinga.
We didn't hear you. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
To Raila Odinga.
Yay! Congratulations, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Honorable Raila Odinga, congratulations on your campaign launch. I think it's been exquisite. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will sit back and wait for the Sheraton at this hotel team to guide us through dinner. We're going to get to dinner and enjoy the party. Thank you so much. And now I think you should ask them to head on to dinner, sir.
Okay, let's be seated, please. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to invite the high table, this table right at the center here, where the candidate is, to go and serve.
So in just a few minutes, the Honorable Raila Odinga will be coming back from the bathroom to the washroom, and then
Yes.
he will join you to dinner.
Okay.
Then the Sheraton Addis will guide you through. Yes.